Hi, this is Rich Lavens of Eurotherm by Watlow, and I get this question fairly often. And hey, I've got something wrong with my controller. It just says PCnF. On the EPC3004, PCnF is not really a catastrophic error. It just means that somebody powered the controller down in configuration mode. They could have been into iTools making some changes and didn't hit the access button and just removed it from iTools. Well, the next time you power the instrument up, you're going to see this. Or if you were in configuration level using the buttons on the instrument and powered it down, you would also see this. So again, not a big deal. What we're going to do here is we are going to hold this page key down, keep holding it. When you see level 3, quickly go to up arrow to config, and then we're going to enter a passcode of 0004. So now we're in configuration, and we're going to hold that page key down again, and this time hold it until it goes to level 1 and hit enter. The unit will reboot, and it'll come back to the normal operating mode, which is level 1. So really, it's just that simple. Get back out of configuration mode, and you should be good to go. Hope you found this video helpful, but please drop us an email or give us a call and let us know. Thank you so much. Bye.